Hello everyone, I'm Nishchay Shah from Kolkata, West Bengal, and I plan to go to USA to pursue my bachelor's in aeronautics from Embry-Riddle University, USA. Since my childhood, I have been attracted to aeronautics even before I knew the meaning of the word. I chose USA because not only did it have few of the leading industries in my chosen field, but it's the quality of education that matters. I believe in a more hands-on method of learning, and my chosen university values that. And lastly, I will be far away from my home, and it's the diversity which was a green flag to me. Of getting exposed to various cultures and making new opportunities with them is what excites me in my journey. I recently went to an education fair hosted by IDP, and I came to learn about IELTS examinations and how greatly they are valued by few of the top universities around the world. I figured that there were various other examinations, but I also saw that my university can figure out about my academic skills later on, as a student performs differently in different backgrounds. But how do I tell them that I am capable of communicating with them efficiently and I will be able to understand what they are teaching me? That's why I gave this test my priority. Just as my midterms got over, I booked the IELTS test. I was nervous and tired because of the examination and the project I just made. But I did not even need to book a professional course to prepare for this examination. I used the materials provided to me by the IDP app, and I got a good score just by using those materials. Before I gave this examination, I thought of it as a mere formality I needed to complete to get into my dream university. But as soon as I entered the examination center, my whole opinion changed. Everyone, from the examiner to the invigilators to even the gatekeeper, was so professional. They not only gave a efficient environment with professional devices, with good quality devices, but they also made a comfort zone to calm down the other test takers. I gave my test with ease, and I just have to say in conclusion that if you make the right choices, it's not that difficult to complete your dream. I wish my fellow aspirants luck, and I recommend them to take the IELTS examination to make their dream of studying abroad more easier.